How to add link to Instagram bio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a clickable link to your Instagram bio so you can direct people to your website, YouTube channel or any other page. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, find the link that you want to share. If it is your YouTube channel, simply open the YouTube app, and once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on your name at the top, and once you are inside the channel, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on share. Now again, from the pop-up menu, simply select copy link, and you can also manually type in any website link that you want. And now once you have copied it, simply close the YouTube app and open the Instagram app. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile page, simply tap on edit profile button. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the option label as link. Now on the new page, simply select add external link. And now after you have done that, simply paste your link in the URL field and give it a title like your YouTube, my YouTube channel or anything that you like. And once you're done with that, simply tap on the check mark icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now when you go back to your profile, you can see a clickable link button right below your bio. Just by tapping on it will instantly open your website or channel. And that's it. That's how you can add a link to your Instagram bio. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.